Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to present to you about our project, which is the fire alarm system. And we are going to use the Arduino as our microcontroller, and also we have made a circuit here. And before all of that, my name is Muhammad Suresha Zakaria. You can call me Shah.
My name is Muhammad Nazrul Mubin bin Nasri. You can call me Mubin.
And my name is Nurul Nazra, you can call me Zira.
And my name is Nordayana Vitamado, you can call me Diana.
My name is Nina, you can call me Nina.
And my name is Nomadia Beteno Halim.
Okay, we will start off with the circuit of the electronics component. First of all, we have a flame detector, and then we have LED, resistor 180 ohm, and we have buzzer. All of this is connected in different circuit. First of all, the flame detector, we have connected it to the positive terminals and also the negative terminals. And the other parts is the analog input, which is for the sensor itself. So it will be connected to the Arduino, and my friend here will explain about it later. And then the second part is about the LED. The LED will be connected in a series format, which is we need the resistor to avoid the LED from be burned. And then the last one, it's just an ordinary connection of the circuit, which is the buzzer connected to the Arduino itself. And for the pin initialization, I will pass to Mubin.
Okay, next is I will explain the connection from the breadboard to the Arduino. First, for the flame detector, the connection, the jumper will be connected to the pin number 4. Next is the LED. It will be connected to the pin number 7. And lastly, from the buzzer, it will be connected to the pin number 8. For your information, this set of pins from 0 to 12 will be needed to produce digital output as well as a voltage supply to the electronic components.
If the flame hits the sensor, the buzzer will buzz up, and you can see the serial monitor will show that there is a flame. Is it the declaration? Alright.
This is the variable initialization, the buzzer, which is assigned at port 8, is stated here, as well as other electronic component, which is LED at port 7 and flame sensor at port 4.
Okay, so this is for the serial initialization, which is for showing the status here. If the flame is detected, so it will show at this serial monitor. Okay, and then the other 3 is just for initializing the functions in the port here, port 4, port 7, and port 8. So Madiha, can you care to explain about this?
If the flame detected is assigned with 0, it will say no flame detected, stay cool, like this one. And the buzzer and the LED will turn off. If else, if the light is it will say the flame detected, take action immediately, and the buzzer and the LED will turn on.